highest praised system of government, democracy. Unlike a monarchy or a dictatorship, which is only run by one, democracy is run by the people. Then why does it feel so unfair? Really, it seems democracy is run less by the people and instead of just only two political parties always at war. Why? It's how elections are done at the fundamental level. It may seem simple. You as a voter, vote for one candidate, and the candidate with the most votes wins. But what if we, for example, add a third candidate to the mix? And let's say this candidate aligns with the blue candidate's ideals more closely. So, as a result, the third party takes some of the blue votes. And now, even though the blue candidate is more popular than the red candidate still wins. Because more of the blue votes went to the third party. And so voters have two choices. Vote for a third party and risk the election for an unwanted candidate, or give in to a less favorable candidate just so the rivaling party doesn't hold power. With such a problem, what can be done to solve it? What solution exists? Ranked choice voting. Instead of voting for one candidate, you rank a set of candidates from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. So in this model, let's represent our voters with triangles. And same amount of votes for each candidate as last time. But now in our model, voters can choose another candidate. And color will represent the second choice of the voters, and place on the board represents first choice. And then the candidate with the least number of votes is eliminated. And votes of the eliminated candidate default to their second choice. And as we can see, with ranked choice voting, unlike the example from earlier with single choice voting, there's no penalty to voting third party. As if your first choice candidate loses, your second choice will still apply to one of the main parties. So ranked choice voting allows third and fourth and fifth and so on candidates to have a chance in elections. Why are third, fourth, and fifth, and so on parties so important? Well, having multiple parties decreases the divide between parties, as there's more of a middle ground. It also increases the number and diversity of representatives, candidates, and people voting. Political discussions, overall, are less heated. There's less of this side and that side, and overall, there's not as much of a reason to be scared of politics. So why hasn't this been adopted sooner? Simply, ranked choice voting was just too complex to be done by hand. And by the time we had technology to do it in a reasonable time, it was just too difficult to get passed in a law, and not enough support for it yet. And this is my argument. Let's, at this time, adopt ranked choice voting over the aging system of single choice voting. And of course, thank you.